If you're looking for better, brighter skin, more of an even skin tone, and more radiance in your skin, this is the perfect set for you. First up in this kit, you're gonna get a 2-in-1 cleansing jelly. It has salicylic acid and bamboo beads in it that helps remove a buildup of dirt, impurities, pollution, and makeup as well. What this means is it's going to leave your skin feeling smooth and radiant. You're also going to get Clinique's most powerful brightening serum. Even better, clinical radical dark spot corrector and interrupter. This amazing serum helps visibly corrects discoloration and interrupts any future dark spots. Last but not least, Moisture Surge 100-hour auto replenishing hydrator. I love this hydrator. Not only does it have a really beautiful gel cream texture for all skin types, it also replenishes and hydrates your skin for 100 hours, even after washing your face. I know you're going to love this set. With a value of $81, this set is yours for $54.50. That's a savings of $26.50. Happy shopping.